Hello guys, today we make Amaro CENTERBA ABRUZZESE, following the recipe of l'uomo di casa that brought the book with me. Yes, it's true, I change again kitchen and house. Where I am, I give you 5 seconds so you can try to guess, leave in a comment. Think about where am I? Waiting. I can check the recipe here on the book, so I can read all the ingredients directly from the book. You need 22 herbs that I bring directly from Italy, l'uomo di casa sent me. If you cannot find all these herbs, maybe you can check the email in the description of the video and you can try to write to this pharmacy. I don't know if they can give this service sending you the herbs like Daniele have done with me. I will not write under the video all the ingredients, but you can pause the video and copy on a piece of paper, or if you buy the book, even better, so you will have all the ingredients from the book. We need lemon zest, orange zest, mandarin zest, sage, mint, bay leaf, basil, rosemary, chamomile, tea, cinnamon, saffron, juniper berries, nutmeg, star anise, lavender, marjoram, cloves, nettle, mallow, linden, rose petals, coffee beans. 5 grams each. Now I take my herbs, I put in the jar, and I will add the spirit. Now from the spirit you can understand where I am. Now I'll show you. Spirit 40%, so similar to vodka, but made from rice. Yes, I am back in Thailand. Very easy to find it. You can find in 7-Eleven, for example. And you pay 125 baht, that more or less are €4. And this bottle is 625 ml. For this recipe, in theory, we need 1 liter, but because I'm not sure if the spices and the liquor can fit in this small jar, sorry, it's the only jar that I found it, I will do less quantity. So now I put the spices, all the ingredients in the jar, the spirit or alcohol. I close it and we should wait 1 month if I can resist. Let's see. If you are not able to find the spices, the herb, all these ingredients, under the video I put the email of this pharmacy in Italy. You can try to write them, maybe if they receive different email, they can organize this kind of service. For me and l'uomo di casa and Daniele, it's difficult to send this stuff around the world because maybe the police, all these government things will be worried that we are sending herbs all over the world. But this is a pharmacy, so for them it's normal, especially if I send you from Thailand, because at the moment marijuana is legal, so I don't want to be in trouble. Okay, I will update you when the alcohol change color, because it's collecting the aroma and the color from the ingredients. See you soon. After 1 week, the alcohol already changed color and the smell is already spectacular. So finally I received my big jar. I ordered it online. Here is more complicated, you should order everything online, also the ingredient to make homemade beer. So if you are not subscribed yet to the channel, subscribe it and please click on the bell. If not, you will miss the other recipes. So now in this jar we have all the spices plus 1 liter of alcohol content, that is 40%, because finally I was able to find all the ingredients. Now we should wait a few weeks after we add the sugar and we can test it. Finally, after 30 days, we can filter our liquor. I will use this coffee filter made with cotton, but you can use any kind of filter that you can find in your country. After that we filter the liquor, we add 70 grams of sugar. I will use raw sugar cane. I made a little bit of mess, sorry, but I was not able to find the fennel, so I used this plastic bag as a fennel, like this. So I spread the sugar everywhere and also the liquor, so please be careful. Now, because the sugar is very raw, we should wait a few days. You can shake maybe every day until the sugar melt, and after we can taste it. If you use white sugar or if you use strong alcohol, so you need to make the syrup, it's much easier because you melt the sugar with the water. But like this we should wait a few days. So see you in a few days for the tasting. The smell is already spectacular. Really spectacular. At the beginning you can taste all the herbs. After, on your tongue remain a little bit of bitterness from the herbs. The alcohol maybe is a little bit higher, but you can decide the alcohol content following the instruction that you find on the website of the Uomo di Casa. You can calculate with the alcohol, with the sugar, with the water, with all the other ingredients and decide the best alcohol content of your liquor. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried this liquor in Italy, let us know down in the comment. If you have tried to make it at home, let us know down in the comment. If you have bought the book, let us know down in the comment, and especially please remember to make a review on Amazon, because this will help our book to go up in the list of the book of homemade liquors. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Spectacular. For any question, please write down the comment. Bye bye. Remember, drink with moderation, please.